If you want to copy this workflow to launch fast, watch this. Today I'm plugging my Shopify store into a hidden supplier called SunSky, over 1 million products, phone accessories, electronics, trending gadgets, the works. I'll show you the exact clicks to import products, and set basic automation so orders practically run themselves. Step 1. Create your free SunSky account. Confirm your email. Inside the dashboard, switch to the Dropship Center so you're seeing shipping options real-time stock. Step 2. Connect to Shopify. In Shopify, open the App Store and install a SunSky-compatible connector app. Search SunSky online. Click Install, approve permissions, then sign in with your SunSky credentials inside the app. That handshake links your store to the supplier. Step 3. Import winning products. In the connector, browse categories, paste SunSky product URLs. Add items to your import list. Set your price rules like 2.5 cost flat margin, so everything uploads with profit baked in. One click, push to store. Titles, images, variants, inventory sync automatically. Step 4. Make it move on autopilot. In the app settings, turn on automatic inventory updates, price sync, so you never sell out of stock items. Enable auto order, one click fulfill. When a customer buys, your app creates the supplier order, tracking comes back to Shopify. Step 5. Test everything. Place a $15 test order, use a draft order. Confirm the app pushes it to SunSky, tracking returns to Shopify, your email notifications fire. Step 6. Launch and scale. Drop 5-10 products, not 500. Run quick creatives, turn on basic PPC, double down on any SKU that gets clicks and carts. With consistent testing and smart margins, this can realistically push you toward an extra $200 to $300 per day if you put in the work. No fluff. If you're serious about building an online income stream this year, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and stick with me. I'll keep dropping short, high-impact tutorials to help you launch, optimize, scale. Let's build something that actually pays you. Rocket emoji.